In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link another page on Google Sites. First things first, let's dive into Google Sites. Start by opening your favorite web browser and head to Google Sites. You'll be prompted to sign in if you haven't already. Simply type in your email address, click Next, enter your password, and hit the sign in button to access your Google Sites dashboard. Once you're signed in, select the site you wish to edit from your Google Sites dashboard. This is where the magic starts. Now, let's say you've got a particular section of text that you want to turn into a link. What you'll do is click on the text box where this text is located. If you haven't already added the text, go ahead and type it in now. Got your text ready? Great. Highlight the specific words or sentences you want to transform into a link. This is a crucial step because it tells Google Sites exactly what text you're aiming to use as the anchor for your link. Next up, look for the hyperlink icon in the toolbar. It's usually represented by a chain link icon. Clicking on this icon will allow you to create a hyperlink from the selected text. A menu will appear offering you several options. Here you'll want to choose the page within your Google Sites that you wish to link to. Browse through the list of available pages and select the one that's most appropriate for your hyperlink. Once you've selected the page you want to link to, all that's left is to click on Apply. And just like that, you've successfully created a link to another page on your Google site. This not only enhances the navigability of your site, but also keeps your visitors engaged with your content. And there you have it. You've now learned how to link text to another page on your Google site. This simple procedure can significantly improve the user experience on your site, making it more interactive and organized. Play around with linking various elements and watch your Google site come alive. Remember, the key to a great site is not just the information it contains, but also how easy it is for visitors to find what they're looking for. So take advantage of this feature to create a more connected and user-friendly website. That's all for now. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to experiment with different features on Google Sites to make your website stand out.